Welcome back to Agentic AI, the future of intelligent systems. In this episode, we take a thoughtful pause to reflect on how we can design agentic AI systems that are not only intelligent but also sustainable, systems that act with purpose, manage their resources wisely, and contribute to a future where technology works in harmony with people and the planet. As AI agents become more autonomous, their actions, while efficient in intent, can unintentionally lead to waste, wasted compute, wasted energy, and wasted opportunity for optimization. That's where sustainable design principles come in, helping us build agentic systems that are lean by default. We begin with the principle of purposeful autonomy. Not every problem requires an AI agent, and not every agent needs to be fully autonomous. Before we build, we must ask, does this agent solve a meaningful problem? Does the autonomy being introduced actually add value, or does it risk consuming compute, bandwidth, and energy without a clear benefit? Aligning autonomy with true purpose ensures that we're not building technology for its own sake, but for outcomes that matter. Next is model efficiency by design. It's tempting to default to the largest language model or the most powerful multimodal AI for every task. But size isn't always the answer. By carefully selecting models that are good enough for the task at hand, and by using model routing and fallback strategies, we can significantly reduce both costs and emissions. This is about intelligent scaling, reserving heavyweight models for complex challenges, while leaning on smaller, faster models for simpler ones. Memory mindfulness follows naturally. In agentic systems, memory is both an enabler and a hidden cost. Retaining too much irrelevant context, storing unnecessary history, or allowing memory states to grow unchecked can all lead to bloated compute use. Sustainable AI design calls for scoped memory, keeping only what's truly useful for decision making and shedding the rest. Techniques like relevance filtering, memory pruning, and shared context pools help agents work smarter, not harder. Then there's carbon aware execution. This isn't just about how we build AI, it's about when and where we run it. Can resource intensive tasks be scheduled when renewable energy is abundant? Can we favor data centers powered by cleaner grids? Can we optimize the timing and location of execution to minimize carbon impact? With their adaptive nature, agentic systems are uniquely suited to take advantage of these opportunities. Sustainability in AI doesn't have to be static, it can be dynamic. We also need to emphasize human AI harmony. Agentic AI isn't about replacing humans, it's about amplifying human decision making. By keeping people in the loop for high impact actions, we ensure that AI systems remain grounded in human values, ethical reasoning, and social context. This principle isn't just good for trust, it's essential for long term resilience and acceptance. All of these principles come together through systemic optimization. Sustainable agentic AI isn't achieved through isolated tweaks, it's the result of seeing the entire system as an interconnected whole. The models, the tools, the memory, the infrastructure, and the human interactions. Every decision, no matter how small, impacts the system's overall efficiency and footprint. That's why building sustainable AI requires collaboration across development, architecture, data science, and sustainability teams. As we layer these principles, we arrive at some practical patterns for designing lean agentic systems. We define clear goals and avoid open ended autonomy without boundaries. We build right size planning, avoiding unnecessary decomposition that leads to task sprawl. We choose and coordinate tools wisely, limiting redundant API calls and ensuring tools are invoked only when they genuinely add value. We manage retries thoughtfully, avoiding silent failure loops that consume resources endlessly. We apply memory pruning and scope retention, ensuring agents don't hoard information they no longer need. We practice elastic model selection, matching model size to task complexity. And we introduce execution timing awareness, where agents can defer non urgent tasks to greener or more efficient execution windows. Together, these patterns create AI systems that don't just work, they work wisely. Before we close, let's remember sustainability in agentic AI is not about sacrificing performance or innovation. It's about building systems that are conscious of their impact on cost, on carbon, and on complexity, and making intentional choices to do better. If you'd like to explore these ideas in greater depth, including actionable frameworks and real world examples, I invite you to download the full white paper. It's available for free. Just check the link in the episode description. Thank you for tuning in, where we're building not not just smarter AI but better AI.